Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake.
Shake your booty.
Hey there guys, Nick here. Today I'm going to test out an as seen on TV product. This is something Shan found at the local cheap shop. I don't know how much it was, but it wasn't expensive, I imagine. And I've got the perfect vehicle to test on. This is Shan's car. It's a Toyota Camry. And it is the Renumax Scratch Remover. It has some instructions. I think I should probably read those because this isn't necessarily something that I know how to use. So let's see how it works. Apparently this will give me professional results. That'll be interesting. It doesn't seem like there's any actual instructions. Hang on a sec. God damn it, I cut my fingernails this morning. I got no fingernails left to peel this crap off. English. Renumax makes scratches on your vehicle disappear quickly and easily. Make sure the surface to be treated is completely clean and dry. Shake the product well before use. Press it onto the surface until the foam tip is thoroughly impregnated. Then apply it directly onto the scratch or the scratched area from several different angles. Wait around 40 seconds. Then remove any excess liquid or residue with a clean, dry microfiber cloth. If you wish, you can apply wax and or polish to seal the treatment, add shine, protect the bodywork. For deeper scratches, this product will only reduce their appearance. Let's see how this works. So we have to shake this well before use. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake the booty. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake.
Shake your booty.
Alright, but seriously though, here's a good example of the type of scratches on Shan's car. Let's just give this a bit of a clean off because it says the area needs to be clean and dry. So you can see those scratches there. Those are from Shan hitting the door against that. So they're not particularly deep scratches. Let me take you a bit closer in. So they're not particularly deep, they're just in the paint. But they are down to the undercoat by the looks of things. Let's see what this thing does. So we're going to press it until it comes out. I might do that over here. Nothing's coming out. Oh, here we go. Starting to get something coming out. It smells nice. It says attack it from a few different angles, which is what I'm doing, up, from down, left and right. I don't know about you, but that doesn't look like it's doing much at this point. Oh well, let's leave that for 40 seconds and see how it goes. There's also some really fine, very fine scratches here. Put them on that and see if that makes... So these ones are just in the clear coat by the looks of things. They haven't attacked the actual paint. I don't know, see what it does. Alright, so I haven't got a microfiber cloth here at the moment, but I have got a soft polo shirt. That's what I'm going to use. Well, that's interesting. These bits here where the scratches were just in the clear coat. Kind of seems like it's made a difference. Kind of a powdery crap though, it peels off. Whoa! It made them more obvious. If anything, I'd say that made it worse. It has made it worse. It's actually given the scratches more contrast to the paint colour. That's not particularly helpful, is it? What about these bits up here? I would say that's made it worse, not better. So there's some good scratches that we can try it on. So these aren't actually scratches into the paint, they're only in the clear coat. Let's see if it makes a difference on these. So you can see those ones there. A little dab will do. Kind of tricky to get in there, but I think I've got most of that covered. Huh. Let's leave that for 30 to 40 seconds and see how it looks. Alright, that's been about 30 or 40 seconds. Let's get out my trusty microfiber polo. You be the judge, does that look better? Obviously those two scratches there are still a bit visible. There's a couple more there that aren't anymore. Oops. No. You be the judge. What do you reckon? Does it look better? Maybe a little bit. I mean, I can still see them in real life, and I'm sure you can still see them. I would say it looks like most of those scratches are gone. Or at least not visible as much. Obviously there's still some scratches on the handle. I didn't do that. But I'd say it looks a bit better. You be the judge, tell me what you think. Do you reckon this stuff worked? The Renumax, I can't even say it. The Renumax Scratch Remover. I would not call it an overall success, but you tell me what you think. Leave me a comment down below. Have you tried this before? Did it work for you? Have you not tried it before? Would you try it? I don't know. I'm not overly impressed personally. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you tomorrow.
Jazz Club.